Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do the Photoshop glass effect. So it's going to look something like this. In this one we're just going to use pre-selected images as opposed to creating your own patterns or taking your own photos. But let's start. First thing you want to do, you want to open up the image. Just do this. You want to open up the image of this lady, which is in your assignment. And then you're going to also open up this image right here. It's going to be the JPEG version. So let's see. You open up the JPEG version of this, which is also inside of your assignment. For this image right here, you're going to go up to the top where it says File, Save As, and you're going to save it on your computer. And you're going to make sure that you put it as Photoshop and hit save. I'm not going to, well, I'll replace it. There it is. Hit OK. And then you're going to go back to your image of this lady right here. And just as simple as that, you go up to Filter up at the top, Filter Gallery. And in Filter Gallery, you're going to actually select which texture. I'm going to pull this thing over. Which texture. Now, the only ones that are going to come up are block, canvas, frost, but you could upload one. Right? This is the customized part of it. So right here on the right part of it, see those little like hamburger lines right there? You click on that, load texture. Now it will take textures in all different shapes and forms, but it has to be a Photoshop file. So the .psd stands for Photoshop document. That's why we converted. You can see that the JPEG is, so actually I put the JPEG in here. The JPEG is right here. And then the Photoshop file, it will actually accept. So when I click on that, that has the texture right there. I could change the distortion to be 20. You could change it to be smoother, not as smooth, right? You can still see the Adobe stock text right there. So make it smoother. You could distort it less, distort it more. Ooh, that actually looks good in the eye. You can invert the selection itself. And that's it. Once you're ready, you hit OK. And that's your image right there. You can see like eventually you will create your own. I'm gonna go up to filter again, filter gallery. I've created some of my own right here. I'm gonna click on upload and I'll upload one of mine. And then I'm gonna come over here to my glass textures. I created one of triangles. I'm gonna double click on that. And let's see, I'm gonna distort this a lot. And let me see if I scale it a little bit less. Yeah. You can see I created these triangle ones right here. And then hit OK. Once you're done, save it and follow the steps in the assignment.